Networking events. Does that sound familiar? Have you ever been to networking events and you find yourself, you just, people like asking you, what do you do? Or they're shoving a business card in your face, and then they just want to talk about themselves, and then you ask them a question, and then they keep going on and on and on. They're trying to sell you. Don't be that guy. You want to come to networking events, you come over, you lay low, you gotta get to, explore and have a little nice corner where it's kind of like you're just observing, and then slowly people will start coming around and you start talking and ask them questions. Avoid talking about yourself. Don't use the word, what do you do, right? Ask them, what business are you in? Don't have your drink, if you're drinking, don't have your drink all the way up here to your chest, okay? That is covering your body language, okay? You're covering your body. Keep your drink right here on your side, just like that, okay? And ask questions, and the purpose is to find out if they're a good fit for you or not, if they have enough need that you can follow up with a conversation offline. So hope that served you. Until then, be fearless. Cheers.